is clear for Java,
Okay.
then we can move to towards next. As we were also having a conversation on the Stripe, adding the transaction ID to the Stripe payment.
Okay.
So
All right.
Java
So do
will
you want to
be.
walk them through the Stripe implementation flow?
Actually, we did already
You did
yesterday,
that?
and
Okay. All right.
we did
Okay.
that. And Deva was to get in touch with one of his team member to get the test Stripe console details for us. If we are doing it from our side,
Okay.
we should get the access to Stripe console.
Okay.
Deva, were you able to get it from Binu? I think you mentioned like Binu. Oh, okay, 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 fine. Okay,
So then today, do we? I mean, so Shamshir, is there like a good starting point then? So Jeba can, so we can from like say the specifics, maybe how we've done the orgs, start with that so he understands that how we've implemented orgs and the hierarchy and all of that. Or
Okay.
so Jabad, the idea that we had was, we'll give you a complete end-to-end walkthrough of how the system's built, so then you can, it'll be easy for you. That was the idea for us to do KT, and if I think, what do you think? Yeah. Okay. So it may not be related to the tickets that you've been assigned, but it'll give you a good overview of the system. So I think that would probably be the best way for you to get started. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay, Shamshi.
Yeah. Yeah. Then I will share my screen.
Jabba, do you have Karthik, right? The other person as well? Oh, okay, okay, all right. Okay, so Karthik will be handling the Angular JS portion, is that right? Or he'll also be doing the Java portion? Front end? Okay, so the Angular JS part. Okay. Hi, Karthik. Good, good. How are you? Okay. Okay, so I think today we are mostly doing back-end stuff, right? Shamshir, I don't think Linda is in this meeting, right?
No, Linda is not.
Okay, all right. Yeah.
let me work with Ashkar on the multiple price point.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Okay, carry on.
Okay. Can you see my screen? Okay. I'm sharing my backend details. Okay. The organization table, org table. Each catalog we are creating under an organization. So first we will create an org, then catalog, then event, then we will register in that event. That's the workflow. So org details will be stored in org table. And once you created that org, you can create a catalog that is stored in catalog table. Okay, all related entity catalog or even entity contact all are saved in entity contact table. There is an entity contact. It's a org or catalog or an event. Yeah. Okay. Once you have a catalog, you can create a multiple events under one catalog. You can have multiple catalog under one organization also. These are the tables related to event. Event, yeah. Yeah, once you publish that event, registration will be happening to event participant tab, event participant map table. There is one table, event participant map. Yeah. Once, yeah, yeah, participant details will be stored in event participant map table. Okay. Yeah, sure. Yes, participant ID, event buyer ID, who is purchasing that event. If it's a single participant, it will be say, both will be saved. Buyer and participant will be saved. First name, last name, status. Yeah, we have five record. Yeah. Okay. Then if any questions associated with the event, we will save it in question table. If you create any questions associated with that event, it will be here. Question. Question. Yeah, question identifier, question group, question pick list. These are the table associated with questions. Okay. Then if that participant answers any question, answer will be stored in answer table. Yeah, sure. Okay, we are capturing participant ID, question, what's the question, and the answer. Yeah. Yeah. What's your age? What is your date of birth? Like that. Even yeah, even where it is the who is purchasing. Maybe buyer, yeah, buyer question also. Yeah, that's the basic workflow. Customer even participant map table. Customer participant. Sorry, this is a user. Yeah, all customer will be stored in user table also. Once you register for an event, we will have an entry in user table and event participant map table. That's an image ID. Yeah, profile. Yeah, in multimedia table. Multimedia. We have a table multimedia. Yeah, basically we are storing images in AWS and saving that path multimedia table. Yeah, we are storing image in AWS and we are saving that reference here. Anyway, yeah, we are JPEG, GIF. EXE or something like that. Yeah, that's also done. Yeah, actually, if you upload any EXE file, it will not be in our system. It will be in AWS only. Except by S3 bucket, only a storage area. It will not affect our server. No, that script cannot be executed in our server because we are directly selling it to AWS. Okay. Payment related tables. Yeah. So the payment related payment gateway provider of sorry. Yeah, pay. It's the payment master table. Okay. Moment. This is the table that we are storing org related payment information. For each org, we can have one valid payment settings. Okay, that will be stored here, and transaction related data will be stored in transaction table. Yeah. No. No. Before creating a payment, we will have one order ID, event buyer map table. Yeah. Then we will create one transaction. We will map it. We will map it using buyer transaction. Yeah. Here we have transaction ID and event buyer ID. This is the mapping table. We have one record by area, but it is not just check. Actually, it is not in active state. Once the record is complete, sorry, yeah, transaction ID even by ID. Transaction ID is the actual Stripe ID, not Stripe ID. The transaction table ID. Yeah, right, right. Yeah, even bar map table. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Transaction table. That's already shown. Yeah, sure. Yeah, right. Yeah. User.
Is this part clear, Jeba, about the transaction and the flow of all the payment information? Okay. Okay.
Admin, super admin, and organizer. Organizer, yeah, one who create the event and publish it. Also, yeah. Role. It's an org based on global. It's an enum. Which one? Yeah, it's related to org or it's a global one. It's global to all or it's specific to an organization. That's a category. Yeah. Organizer. What? Yeah, actually, we are not using this role. But yeah, then it is assigned to org role, man. Organization. org user role. Org, yeah. Role and organization. Anything else? No, I think we have covered all sections. Uh, okay.
Jabba, are you looking for something specific, Jabba? Okay.
No, that's we are not using right now. Sorry, you are not clear. Yeah. No, it's not stored in the database. It's in that code, that backend code. It's a session. Yeah. Which one? Check session. Yeah, it is user underscore session. Yeah, we are keeping customer details, logged in details. He, it will update the expiry time. Yeah. Then we have an expiry time. If he come back, we will allow him. Otherwise, after the 3 hour, we will log out him. Which one? Yeah, report section. Yeah, it's also using that views. No, there is not temporary table. We are using views. Views, okay. Actually, all views are associated with this reservation question answer. What's the purpose of each use? Okay. Payment transaction, all these views are related to payment. Or yeah, okay. And question answer views are related to participant question answer. And reservation views are related to that checkout. Yeah, stored procedure. Okay. Yeah, this is checking whether a user is active or not. Using okay, check session. Then this is for clearing event registration, clearing a registration. Yeah, event registration. If you want to remove all registration under an event, you can this procedure. Yeah, if you want to remove all registration, if you are testing and you want to remove all registration under an event, you can use this procedure. Yeah, when you want to delete an event, you need to remove all other data. So, not use this one. Yeah. Okay. This is for cloning event. For cloning an event, no copy of name. Yeah, copy if you want any other same event happening next day or next day some other day, and if you want to change the location or something like that, you can clone. That's the depend upon the business logic. Yeah, it's already implemented. Then main procedure we are using pre-reserve. So is the one procedure that we are using before reserving an inventory. Before registering, while we registering, we'll call this pre-reserve and lock the number of inventory, how much inventory you want. Then we will call the reserve API after checkout. Yeah, not after checkout when we check out. Mm, this is the associated one. Reserve. I think you can have a look at into this one, and you can, if you have any doubt, you can ask tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Anything? Okay.
Okay.
No. I think we covered all. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That-
Anything? Question?
Yeah. Thanks, Shamshir. Jeba. Yeah, Jeba. So yeah, also please read up on the Hibernate and the JDBC stuff. It'll make things easier for you to relate between the DB and the code. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good. Okay. All right. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
that-
Bye.
Bye.